quick little update for Gary. The tires for the 64 T-Bird have arrived. They're here. Ooh, white wall pretty.
Yeah, they showed up stupid quick.
I ordered them. What day is this? Thursday?
Yeah.
Tuesday night at like 11-ish.
Yeah.
When I was talking to Gary.
They're already here.
They shipped yesterday and they're already here.
Yep.
So, Tuesday, I'm going to be gone, but maybe you boys can throw the baby on the lift and have Victor put the tires on for us real quick.
We can do that. Because while that's happening, if we get everything set and ready to go, I can work on the interior of the wagon.
Oh, you'll have a list because you're going to be doing the Buick, but you'll have a list. We'll discuss it. There's going to be a nice list on the board for you guys. I'm going to do that Saturday when I come over. So, but anyway, I just wanted to let Gary know his tires are here. Hooray! Woohoo! We don't have lethal weapons on the car anymore soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Speaking of, we got to do tires on the wagon real quick.
Yeah.
And discuss that.